I am the architect of my own life. I build a foundation and choose its content. Today, I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. My body is healthy. My mind is brilliant. My soul is tranquil. I am superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I have been given endless talents, which I begin to utilize each day. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I am guided in my every step by a spirit which leads me towards what I must know and do. My relationship is becoming stronger and more stable each day. I possess qualities needed to be extremely successful. My business is growing and expanding.